Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 2, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. Now before we get started, there's one thing that I will need, which is this SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. They can provide it in the box with the device, but if you can't find it, you can always use something like a paper clip, just straighten it out, and it will also work. So from here, I will eject the tray that is located on the upper right side. So right here, I think. There it is. Take out the tray, and you have space for one SIM and one SD card. So I'm gonna begin with the SD card. Place it like so. And then the SIM card. As you can see. Now while holding them securely, you wanna slide it back into the device, so okay, there we go. And now I should be locked by the pin. Okay, there it is. So now I actually have to put in the pin for the SIM card. So as you can see, the SIM card is already working. Again, unlock the device, and SD card should be working as well. So just see if I can find storage fairly quickly. So you can see there's the SD card. So both of them are working like they should. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.